Have you ever looked at the financial news, heard terms like stock market or investing, and felt a little overwhelmed, maybe even like it's a world just for seasoned professionals? What if I told you that buying your first stock is more accessible than you think, and that with the right tools, you could be part of that world, building wealth for your future? For many, the idea of investing in the stock market seems complicated, intimidating, or something only people with vast sums of money can do. You might imagine complex charts, rapid-fire trading, and endless jargon. But what if there was a platform designed specifically to simplify this process, making it easy for everyday Canadians to dip their toes into the world of investing, even with a small amount of money? That's exactly what Wealthsimple Trade aims to do. Today, we're going to demystify the process of buying your first stock using Wealthsimple Trade. We'll break down every step, from setting up your account to making that very first purchase, all while explaining the core concepts in a way that makes sense. No fancy finance degrees needed here, just a willingness to learn and a desire to take control of your financial future. Before we dive into the how, let's quickly touch on the why. Why should you even consider buying stocks? Well, historically, the stock market has been one of the most powerful tools for building long-term wealth. When you buy a stock, you're essentially buying a tiny piece of a company. As that company grows and becomes more profitable, the value of your tiny piece of it, your stock, can also increase. This allows your money to work for you, potentially growing faster than it would in a traditional savings account. Of course, there are risks involved. Stock prices can go down as well as up, but for long-term investors, the potential rewards often outweigh these risks. Wealthsimple Trade stands out as a fantastic option for beginners primarily because of its simplicity and its fee structure. Unlike many traditional brokerages that charge commissions for every trade you make, Wealthsimple Trade offers commission-free trading for Canadian and U.S.-listed stocks and ETFs. This means more of your money goes directly into your investments, which is a huge win, especially when you're starting with smaller amounts. They also have a very user-friendly app, making the entire experience intuitive and accessible right from your smartphone. So, let's get you started on your investing journey. The first step, naturally, is to get yourself set up with a Wealthsimple Trade account. Step 1. Setting up your Wealthsimple Trade account. This is where your investing adventure truly begins. The process is straightforward, but it requires a few pieces of information to ensure everything is legitimate and secure. Download the app or visit the website. Wealthsimple Trade is available as a mobile app for both iOS and Android, and you can also sign up through their website. The mobile app is incredibly well designed for ease of use, so I highly recommend starting there. Sign up and provide your information. You will be prompted to create an account using your email address and a strong password. After that, you'll need to provide some personal details. This is standard for any financial institution and is required to verify your identity and comply with regulations. Be prepared to provide your full name, email address, date of birth, your current Canadian address, and potentially a previous one if you've moved recently. Your social insurance number, SIN, this is crucial for tax purposes. Your employment information. Choose your account type. Wealthsimple Trade offers several account types, each with its own advantages. For most beginners, a tax-free savings account, TFSA, or a personal, non-registered account are the most common starting points. TFSA. This is a fantastic option because any investment gains you make within a TFSA are completely tax-free. There's an annual contribution limit, so be mindful of that. It's ideal for saving for goals like a down payment on a house, a new car, or just general long-term wealth building. Personal, non-registered account. This account doesn't have contribution limits like a TFSA, but any capital gains or dividends you earn will be subject to taxes. It's a good option if you've maxed out your TFSA or if you have short-term investing goals. Other options include registered retirement savings plans, RRSPs, which are excellent for retirement savings and offer tax deductions on contributions, and registered education savings plans, RESPs, for saving for education. For your first stock, a TFSA or personal account is usually the easiest entry point. Identity verification. Wealthsimple will need to verify your identity. This often happens automatically in the background, but sometimes they might require you to upload a photo of a government-issued ID or answer some security questions. Follow the prompts carefully. This step is essential for the security of your account and your funds. Once you've completed these steps, congratulations! Your Wealthsimple Trade account is officially open. Now, let's get some money in there so you can start investing. Step 2. Funding your account. You can't buy stocks without money, right? Wealthsimple Trade makes depositing funds quite easy, offering a few different methods. Link your bank account. The most common and convenient way to fund your account is by linking your Canadian bank account. In the Wealthsimple Trade app, navigate to the Move Money or Add Funds section. You will typically be asked to search for your bank and then securely log in using your online banking credentials. This establishes a link between your bank and your Wealthsimple account. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.